The Infinix Note 40 is a budget-friendly smartphone that offers a blend of appealing design and satisfactory performance. Here's an overview of its key features. The Infinix Note 40 measures 165.51 by 75.93 by 7.91 mm and weighs approximately 185 grams, offering a slim and lightweight profile that ensures comfortable handling. The device features a matte rear panel with a shimmery finish, providing a secure grip. However, the rear is prone to fingerprint marks. The rectangular camera module protrudes slightly but does not cause the phone to wobble when placed on a flat surface. The Infinix Note 40 features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, offering a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate for enhanced visual experience. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, ensuring durability against scratches and minor impacts. With a peak brightness of 1300 nits, it provides clear visibility even under direct sunlight. The screen-to-body ratio is approximately 89.9%, offering an immersive viewing experience. Additionally, the device includes an in-display fingerprint sensor for convenient and secure unlocking. The Infinix Note 40 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset. This configuration ensures smooth handling of daily tasks and efficient multitasking. However, users may experience occasional lag when rapidly switching between multiple apps. In gaming scenarios, the device performs well with light games, maintaining smooth gameplay. For more demanding titles like Call of Duty Mobile and BGMI, the Note 40 supports high graphics settings but may exhibit performance drops and increased heat during extended sessions. The Note 40 features a triple camera setup, including a 108MP primary sensor and two 2MP sensors. Daylight photography delivers decent results with accurate skin tones and minimal saturation. However, low-light performance is less impressive, with images appearing blurred and noisy. Portrait mode suffers from poor edge detection and background blur. The 32MP selfie camera produces satisfactory results in good lighting conditions, maintaining realistic skin tones without unnecessary saturation. In low-light scenarios, the quality diminishes. The Infinix Note 40 comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, providing ample space for multitasking and storing your data. Housing a 5000 mAh battery, the Note 40 can easily last a full day with mixed usage, including browsing, music, and streaming. The device supports 45W wired charging, capable of fully charging the phone in under 60 minutes. Additionally, it offers 20W wireless charging, though this method takes about 3 hours to reach full charge and may cause the device to heat up. A MagPad wireless charger is available separately for purchase. Pros: bright and responsive 120 Hz AMOLED display, unique design with customizable halo lighting, decent battery life with both wired and wireless charging options, clean user interface with the XOS skin. Cons: rear panel prone to fingerprint smudges. Performance lags with heavy gaming applications. Camera struggles in low-light conditions and portrait mode. Device heats up during prolonged gaming and wireless charging. Conclusion: the Infinix Note 40 presents a combination of attractive design, vibrant display, and satisfactory battery performance. While it excels in daily tasks and light gaming, it may not be the best choice for users seeking high-end gaming performance or advanced photography capabilities.